Hi, it's Phil from Aussie Traveller and Extend Outdoors. I've just finished installing the SOG toilet ventilator to this Dometic cassette toilet. The SOG toilet ventilator is a 12 volt extraction fan designed to remove all waste and chemical smells from within the Caravan whilst using the toilet. The SOG is a silent exhaust fan operated when the blade valve is opened and also turns off when the blade valve is closed. Once activated, exhaust gases pass through the exhaust hose and out through the 12 volt fan through a charcoal filter. The charcoal filter can be covered by a black, grey or white filter housing. When emptying the cassette, you simply remove the hygiene hose from the cassette, fit the supplied plug to the cassette and remove the cassette to your dump point.